This is a seed pod from a Confederate Rose Hibiscus, and all you do is collect them. I just threw seeds everywhere, break it off, cut it off into a bowl. I have a bunch of them, and then we're going to take them apart later and store them. Okay, so harvesting the seeds from the Confederate Rose Hibiscus is very simple. This one, ew. This one has bugs in it, so we're not going to do that one. Okay, so harvesting the seeds from the hibiscus is very simple. You just crack it open and scrape out the seeds. If it's rained in the last few days, you're going to want to let these dry out before you put them in an envelope or a jar or whatever it is that you keep your seeds in. These are dry. We haven't had rain in a while, so I know these are dry. So I'm not going to worry about it. And there's a bug in there, so I'm not going to use that one. If it looks mildewy, I just get rid of it. I have so many of them that I can choose to be picky. I really waited kind of late to harvest these seeds, but they're still fine. With my COVID, I just didn't have it in me to go out there and do it. I'll do one more. Let's see. So there you go. I just harvested enough plants for me and 30 other people. And then all I'm going to do is put them into my little jar here. I'm going to finish doing the rest of these, and in a few days I am going to start some of these seeds for my own yard and to give away to people. Alright, well, I have my milk jug cut open. Didn't cut just this one little section here. I have it filled with some organic soil. All I'm going to do, oh, and I have holes cut in the bottom for drainage. All I'm going to do is take some of these Confederate Rose Hibiscus seeds, and I'm going to put some in here. Gonna push them down under the soil. I had pre-moistened the soil, so there's no really need to water them. I'm going to put some tape on here and set this outside in a protected space and wait for these to grow. That's how you do. Now that's just one of the ways to propagate Confederate Rose Hibiscus. You can also just take little pieces of the stems, plop them in some rooting hormone and some dirt, and they'll grow from that. But I like to do it this way too. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you've learned something, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.